getting chickens. Well, not chickens, chicken eggs, black Australorp and light Sussex fertile chicken eggs. I've got my incubator, I've got my brooder. All we're missing are some chicken eggs. Let's go get them. Hello, we're in the car, we're driving. Well, right now, we're not driving, we're stuck at a red light, but we're on our way to see a goose man and then get our chicken eggs, 2 dozen chicken eggs.
A few moments later.
We're back home now and we've got 2 dozen of eggs, 1 dozen of the light Sussex and 1 dozen of the black Australorp. So right now it's right before dinner time, but we can't wait. Time is of the essence. We've got to put them straight in the incubator and I've got my mum.
I'm so excited
to assist. I have no idea what to do, but let's just open the box and see how it goes. Okay guys, there was a lot of faff with this in the end, but we got it sorted. The humidity's stuck at 57, but I think hopefully it will go down, especially with this air vent open. The temperature is where it should be, which is 37.5, well, 37.5 or 6, which is perfect. And now we're just going to put the chicken eggs in, and then in about 3 weeks we should have some chicks. Alright, they're in. Good luck, little chickies. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you haven't already. Currently at 745 subscribers as of today. It's like pushing a big snowball up the hill. Please guys, I need all the help I can to get to 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. Tell your friends, tell your family. Nurse, doctor, policeman, school teacher, farmer, anybody. Get them to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.